Wait, why is my camera stuck there? I gotta fix it. God. Oh my God, this is so hard. What if I do? Yeah. From the roof? God is. Alright, so y'all clicked on this because y'all wanted a tutorial on how to remove backgrounds and videoleap. If y'all have CapCut, I already explained this in my video, in my video. Alright, you can click on the related video. So I'm gonna get started. Y'all gonna scroll. So put a video, then put a overlay. Then scroll down until you see cut out. Then click person. Yeah, click person, and it should be loading. That's all y'all gotta do. I don't know if this works on Android because I switched from Android to iPhone, but y'all can still try it, dog. Well, bye. Bro, that was so quick and